Hi everyone, here is the painting from my last video from the blowout, and it looks really good. Definitely must have had gone heavy on the pink. There is a lot of pink in it, but I really love it. I think it's so pretty. And so this is with the ARTEZA pouring mediums with the regular white house paint. And I'm doing that again today, but a mallet smash. And I already put on the white and tried to get off as much as I could. But once I put my gloves back on, I'm going to tilt it again. Trying to reuse my gloves since they are in short supply right now. So I hope none of you are watching from quarantine, but I'm sure some of you are. So I've got like 700 videos if you have time on your hands. But no, I'm home from work. They sent me home. There's more staff than there was clients. So I was sent home today. So it's going to be a long, weird few weeks. Alright. I think I got off most of it. I am obsessed with these colors. So when this dries, the mallet smash part will be shiny, and the so it will kind of stand out against the background because I did another one like this. And I'm actually not varnishing it because it is a very cool look with the really shiny paint on top of a matte surface. I thought it was too cool, so I'm not varnishing that one. I think this will do the same. This will probably dry the same way. I may do some Flingies. Just one Flingy. You can see it getting some cells. Mainly just making sure there's no air bubbles in the white. I like it. So this video seems really short, but that's because I spared you watching me pour the white paint. So it is a very short and sweet mallet smash. So there it is in its entirety. It's got a neat shape to it. I like it. And I love the Flingies. Hooray for Flingies. So everyone stay well, and I will catch you next time. Bye.